What's up guys, Surge here. So what a day guys, a new image has been popped up on Weibo which if real shows some of the first details about the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. Earlier, there were rumors that the Pixel 3 will feature an edge-to-edge display, but now it seems like that may not be the case. This new leak hints towards a notchless display on the Pixel 3, while on the other hand we have the Pixel 3 XL with the notched display. Both devices actually look so ugly. All after that, the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL will sport front-facing speakers as well as standard sensors including the ambient light sensor and obviously the front-facing cameras. It's possible that Google is implementing dual front-facing cameras on these devices, as the tempered has an extra cutout, but it could be some other sensor. Now, we have heard mixed reports on whether or not there will be a notch on Google's upcoming flagship. But again, Android P has native notch support, so that's possible. At the same time, these leaks are pretty sketchy and these are apparently just screen protectors, so there's not much to verify their authenticity. It's also pretty early to decide whether the device will have a notch or not, so take this leak as a pinch of salt for now. And yeah, we are gonna hear a lot about the Pixel 3 in the coming days, so make sure to subscribe to keep up with all of the updates. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.